welcome back to Diagnostics Nation YouTube channel. So this is part 3 and we're just removing the injectors quickly. So I'm here at Gasant's premises. Niyaaz is just taking out the injectors. So we're just working here. So yeah, we're just removing the injectors quickly. I'll be taking my injectors to Ryan to do that for me, and then I can fix it in the morning. So yeah, it's Friday and I'm off the weekend, so we're gonna sort that out. So we're doing the injectors now, we're taking the injectors off, and then tomorrow I'll take it to him tonight and then I'll fix it tomorrow morning. So tomorrow Niyaaz is gonna be fitting the ported throttle, ported intake. What are we still doing? Cleaned injectors, new fuel sieve, and I'm doing oil change as well. So I also have an appointment at Dynotech, so that will be on the 29th of September, and yeah, that's for the Retune. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully all goes well. And then the 3rd of October is obviously after Dyno Day. So this video will only be after Dyno Day. So I'll first post the Dyno Day video and then I'll post this video. Yeah, just doing that and just helping Niyaaz here. The light's a bit, yeah, I'm not sure what's happening here. The one light has stopped working. But hope you enjoy the video.
Jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, I started rapping, they say I'm destined for greatness. They started pulling out favors because I ball with their favorites. I'm ahead of the latest, I got some stars in my playlist. My haters cannot stop my movement, I'm feeling jaded. I'm about to turn into something that no one likes. If no one likes me, I'm antisocial, so fuck the likes. These whack niggas getting deals, but they overpriced. And you could play games with your life, nigga, roll the dice. You rappers know that I'll die then to be second place. I'm from the ghetto, no tweeting, nigga, I'm in your face. Trigger fingers, yeah right, more like Twitter fingers. You niggas still talking shit, but never mind your business. Yeah, you already know. It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local goat on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga, that's how it goes. Yeah, you already know.
Good day and welcome back to Diagnostics Nation YouTube channel. So it's the next day now, Saturday. It's about 11 o'clock. We just started here. So we're just replacing the tappet cover because I got one sprayed by Ashraf and Niyaaz is just fitting that for me. So I'm just waiting for Ryan to give me a call to say that the injectors is ready. Then I'll pick the injectors up and then yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, so we're just fitting the cover, and so Ryan gave me an update on my injectors this morning, and I use fuel injector cleaner at least once every second tank, and yeah, believe it or not, it doesn't really make a difference. It maybe cleans the lines inside, yes, or maybe ups, whatever, but it really doesn't make a difference. My injectors was, it was like 50. It's supposed to be at 80. I'll attach the pictures. It's supposed to be at 80, but it was like at 50, 52, 51. So yeah, I'll just wait for him to call me and then I'll speak to him quickly and then we'll but yeah, injectors is definitely something that you want to do because it's definitely help. So I just went to fetch my injectors by the Rtech. I came back and Niyaaz already took off the intake and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna fit it now and put the rest of the stuff back. So I also want to show you guys this, how dirty this actual intake is. And it's actually very dirty. So yeah, so obviously never seen the inside. I'll take some pictures and just attach that to this. Check it. So yeah, that's what we did in the other intake. We took that 2 pillars away, and then we obviously ported, and yeah. So we'll see now. I'm gonna just clean that and take it from there.
It's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local go on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga.
We don't like the police, but keep them hands up. Get your bitch on both knees, record her on my camera. This right here, dope steez, it is a slammer. Yeah, I'm like the OG, yeah, I am the handler. My bitch, she try to control me like she Adam Sandler. So my side in 4D, now I don't get pampered. I'm high, I drank some OB, then I threw a tantrum. She said that she ain't know me, and that I'm a handful. But you know I'ma blow 'em out. I blow trees, I spray bullets on my uncle. I'ma kill the one that took him. Homie, I'ma go about. Straight torture, straight bully. I ain't from the south. We grow trees, we sell cookies.
Yeah, you already know.
So we just finished fitted the intake, and we're just fuzzy fitting the injectors and all of that. So yeah, everything should be fine. Yeah, we're gonna fit the injectors now and get everything else ready, and I'll show you the startup video soon.
Jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local go on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga. That's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, it's a jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local go on the low. Yeah, they love you till they all love you, my nigga. That's how it goes. Yeah, you already know. Jungle and that's why they come and go. I'm still local, the local go on the low. They love you till they all love you, my nigga. That's how it goes.
Right, first startup. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, ported intake, ported runners, 70mm throttle.
Kill season.
Good day and welcome back to 2ZZ Nation YouTube channel. So today we are here at Dynotech and I'll be doing a retune on my car. So as you know, I've obviously made some changes. I've done a ported throttle, 7mm, reversion chamber, one Gasant made me. And we did the 3 or 4 stainless steel one-piece induction, thermal gaskets, and yeah, we did a few other things. Yeah, I obviously cleaned out my ports while my intake was off and all that other stuff, which was quite dirty. I'll obviously include, or if you didn't see the pictures yet, I'll include it. Yeah, so we're gonna do a retune now. The car's obviously sputtering when the teeth lift, which is about 5,200 RPMs till about 6.2, 6.5, and then the splatter's gone. But I can feel the car's holding back because it obviously needs some more fuel. But I'll speak to Isaac now. He's just busy quickly preparing the dyno, and then I'll speak to him and we'll see what he says. Hopefully we can sort that out. But yeah, hope you enjoy the video.
I pray to God he don't run up on me, cause I done seen these niggas take a life. I'm getting paid but I feel lonely, and I look to God if I need advice. All I say is let's get it, homie. Really I don't need to even tell him twice. A ghetto kid knowing war only, grew up walking around with a knife. They try to run up on me. Woo! ready to die. Yeah, I know they plotting on me. You know I gotta survive. For real. I bodied niggas with back when I thought I was rapping for fun. Yeah. I'm killing niggas with words. Most of y'all pull out a gun. I got a team, we put in work, recording album a week, but you niggas asleep, we never sleeping. I got a reason.
Only a visa. I paint the picture with better beauty than Mona Lisa. I roll alone and that's why I cop me a two-seater. My circle's small cause every corner I see a heater. I fly solo so no cars, only a visa. Dodging bullets, hopping fences ain't really new to me. Told my girl that when I die my music my eulogy. Told myself that I'ma keep rapping, this music is true to me. I'ma say what I want to, I don't care what they do to me. I've been living amongst the shadows.
Solly 12, 9, Solly 12, 9.
Realize most of my homies fake. Leveled up, now they say that I changed. I got a big